Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 2 to the power of x squared is equal to 3 to the power of x. And what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite 2 to the power of x squared as 2 to the power of x to the power of x. So if you guys already didn't know, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So as you can see here, 2 to the power of x to the power of x, this would equal 2 to the power of x squared, because x times x is x squared. Now this is equal to 3 to the power of x, and if you guys already didn't notice, a solution, an immediate solution actually, is x equals 0. Because if we plug in 0 for x, both of these terms would equal 1, right? Because anything to the power of 0 is 1. However, that is not the only solution. So now I'm actually going to take the power of 1 over x on both sides. And remember, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. 3 to the power of x to the power of 1 over x. This is going to equal 3 to the power of x times 1 over x. And x, any number times its reciprocal, is simply just 1. So this would just be 3. This is equal to, again, x to the power of 1 over x is 1. So this would just be 2 to the power of x. So now we have 2 to the power of x is equal to 3. Now I'm going to take the natural log on both sides, so ln on both sides. And an important property of logarithms is that, let's say we have ln to the power of ln of a to the power of b. For this, we can actually move the exponent, which in this case is b, to the front of the logarithm. So this would actually equal b times ln a. So in this case, we have ln 2 to the power of x, and we can think of x as b and 2 as a. So we can actually move this exponent x to the front of the logarithm. So this would be x times ln 2 is equal to ln 3. Now I'm going to divide both sides by ln 2. So then these two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to ln 3 over ln 2. So this is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 8 to the power of 4 minus x squared is equal to 1. Now, if you guys already didn't know, let's say we have the variable a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So anything to the power of 0 is actually equal to 1. Meaning, the same goes for 8. 8 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 as well. So now all we have to do is we have to set our exponent here, 4 minus x squared, to 0. So now we have 4 minus x squared is equal to 0. Now, 4, this is equal to 2 squared. So we have 2 squared minus x squared. This is equal to 0. And if we have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, 2 would be a and x would be b. So this would be 2 plus x times 2 minus x, and this is equal to 0. So this gives us two equations. We have 2 plus x is equal to 0, and 2 minus x is equal to 0. So for 2 plus x equals 0, x is equal to negative 2. And for 2 minus x equals 0, x is equal to positive 2. So these are two solutions, 2 and negative 2.